What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be painting the roll cage of the 240 and the rest of the interior as well. I want to get all of this junk out of here. That's all from inside the car, and I want to be able to work on my garage again without having that everywhere. So we got satin black Rust-Oleum paint, which we're going to put on all the floors, and this high temp engine paint will go beneath like my feet because my shoes are melting to the floor, and hopefully that helps stop that, I guess. We got this metallic gold paint for the actual cage, and this was what we used for the engine covers, and I got as close as I could, and this is like half the price. Later in the video, Mark's gonna come over and we're going to fab up like a steering column mount, because when we put the cage in, we did not have the steering column mount to be able to go with it. So we're gonna fab up our own and weld that in place, and then we should be good to drive it around again. So, well, I'm gonna skip all of the bullshit of us like cleaning the car and sanding everything and just get right to the painting and the welding and stuff. So, yeah, let's get started. I just made a huge mistake. I was popping out some of the stuff over here. Cracked the inside of my windshield. I already had a giant crack all the way down the windshield, so I needed to replace it anyways, but it gives me another reason to, I guess. Tested the color. Looks not too bad, honestly. Obviously when I repaint the entire car, door jambs and everything are gonna have to get painted, so then you won't have white. All right, painting process is started. So I haven't really showed this part of the car, which I don't know if we'll be able to get to it before this season, but it's nothing like insanely bad, but it's gonna get cut out anyways for the future. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is all super rusty. There's a couple rust holes here. This isn't doesn't have holes, it's just surface rust, but this whole thing is gonna have to be cut out. But I don't want to do that yet because I don't want to drop the tank. Essentially, now that we have the cage, we can plate the back, make a firewall on the back, cut all this out, and then do like a tubed rear end and do a fuel cell back here. For now, I'm gonna paint everything else around it because I don't really want to paint over rust. So we got the satin black pretty much everywhere. I need to get a couple little edges. We're gonna have to let all the black dry and then tape everything off, which is gonna really suck, but tape everything else off to paint the roll cage the gold that we want. Check it out. Looks pretty good, pretty good. I feel like camera doesn't do it justice, but little spot. Hold that top corner in. Should be kind of Gucci there. We got everything welded in. Mark tigged all of the the bottom part in and the top part to it, and then any of the gaps and harder areas to reach, I went ahead and just MIG'd it. But it's solid. I was standing on it earlier to make sure, so I think we should be good on that. We had to do a bunch of cutting to this dash, so my crackless dash is all chopped up and fit in here. I cut it probably 10 different times to try to get it to the size, the least amount cut possible. But it's in, so we have to fix all the wiring. So I'll probably pull the dash out to fix it. And then clean the carpet, see how much we can put back in. And then put the seats back in, and then we're good to go.
Nasty.
You've been sitting in that for I went ahead and put that carpet in the car. We got the seats in, we got the rest of the interior for the most parts in. Battery trays mounted in the rear. I didn't put it behind the passenger seat like I wanted to, just because I'm trying to get it done. I'm tired of messing with stuff. And we just got our new LRB door panels. They look pretty sick. I was thinking about doing like a suede style wrap on it, or like a HKS like pattern on here. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. I don't know which one I should do. I do have a plan that I think is going to be kind of funny. You guys might see in the future. Some of you guys more local to KC will probably see, but we'll see how that goes, see if it turns out right. Overall, the interior of this car is pretty much done. So if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video when we're sliding the Cage 240 around.